YouTube, what up? It's Mike Sells, aka 10 Stacks. I'm over here just lounging, waiting for this video to start. But yo, the video that you about to watch, I made it. It's pretty hot. It's a man bun that's cut down to a high and tight fade. It's a kid's cut. Pretty dope. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you want to see more uploads, hit the button at the right corner of your phone so that bell can ring. Check me out, 10 Stacks. Step 1. Create my line of demarcation from temple to temple, dropping it below the occipital bone, using blending techniques as I clean the excess hair off the perimeter of the scalp. And I like to use stroke motions because I like to be in full control of the clipper to get it ready for the next level, which is the second line of demarcation. And as you can see, I'm just continuing on cleaning up this cut. Next order of operation is to extract the bun, cutting the hair down to an even length, brushing it or combing it, whatever your desired choice is, but the object of it is to make that hair lay down. As you can see, I'm using the 3/4 guard and I'm going in the direction of the hair. And I'm using the 3/4 guard because it allows you to cut and clean their haircut without going down too low. And note that if you have a client who has coming from an afro or massive amount of hair, when you cut it down with the wrong guard, you can skip it up or patch it up. So use a guard that's going to be safe with cutting versus cutting down. Now I'm using the Andes cordless masters, going around the parietal ridge and the occipital bone, cutting in the direction of the hair. And I'm removing bulkiness around that perimeter to get ready for my notching or blending techniques. Now, as you can see, I'm using a 1/2 inch guideline as I go around the perimeter of this haircut to get it set up for the next move, which is blending. Now, on this 1/2 inch line of demarcation, I have my Andes Masters open. Now I'm beginning my blending techniques using the tip of the corner of the blade to thin out the line of demarcation. Now here it is what I was talking about earlier. The 3/4 guard is used to knock out the bulk of that line of demarcation from your first cut. Now I'm breaking it down using the wall guard on the Babeless clipper, which is a great matchup. That clipper is a great clipper. My two go. Now I'm using the 1/4 inch guard to help finish off some of that detail work. Blending. And note how I stroke the comb and the clipper together. Cut, comb, cut, comb, cut, comb. Never let that comb down. I'm just cleaning up the cut right now. Cleanliness of a cut is very imperative, very important. Go ahead and watch the video. Next move is the edge up. I like to freeze the edge up with Got to Be Glue. That's a great freezing product. Now I would start my edge in the middle of the forehead area, moving or rotating from left to right. It's a great place to start because you always want an even line around that forehead. And when you edge up, always follow the perimeter of the top of the forehead using straight lines.